guys, how you doing? Happy weekend. So I want to quickly share this update with you. Umidigi will be releasing a new device very soon. They'll be adding a new smartphone to the A series very soon. It will be called the Umidigi A13 Pro. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, by the way. It's absolutely free, okay? Yeah, it will be called the Umidigi A13 Pro. For now, there's no info that states when the device would be officially released. But thanks to AliExpress, I was able to get some specs of the upcoming device. So the design of the Umidigi A13 Pro looks a little bit similar to the design of the Blackview A95. It also has the trendy flat frame design, okay? The display is a water drop notch display and the size is about 6.7 inches according to the specs, which is quite large, very large. At the back of the phone has a triple camera setup and there's a flash and there is a Beyond Dreams branding. According to the specs listed on AliExpress official website, the phone would come in 3 different colors. So there's the Glacier Blue, Sun Glow Gold and Starry Black. So it is also stated that the phone would have 2 variants, 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variants. There's also the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The 6GB RAM variant is going to be a little bit expensive than the 4GB RAM variant, that's for sure. The price you've seen here on AliExpress is not the official price, guys. This is just a placeholder price, okay? AliExpress do not know how much the device will be sold because the device hasn't been announced yet. So they usually put in a placeholder price for devices that are very fresh. So ignore the price you're seeing here on AliExpress. It's also reviewed that the phone would have a 5150 mAh battery and it is expected to support fast charging. The phone is also said to have a 14 megapixel main camera and it's going to support NFC. So those are the few specs that was reviewed. Since it is here already on AliExpress, it has been confirmed already that this device is on its way, guys. It is on its way. Very soon we'll be seeing this device, and of course I'll be comparing this device with the Blackview A95 to see which is best. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and of course I'll be updating you guys anytime there are new updates released about the device, okay? So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.